In this video, we can talk about top 5 Writesonic alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Coup channel. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 remarkable alternatives to Writesonic, a powerful AI-powered writing assistant. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business professional, these top 5 alternatives to Writesonic, including Jasper, Copy AI, Rytr, ProWritingAid, and Simplified, will take your writing to an altogether new height. So let's explore these top 5 Writesonic alternatives. Our first alternative is Jasper AI. Jasper is an AI writing tool that excels in generating engaging and persuasive content with its natural language processing capabilities. It offers features like SEO's optimized content, real-time collaboration, brand voice and memory, and Chrome extension. Jasper can help you create compelling copies for blog posts, social media campaigns, and even sales emails. And not to forget, it comes with a standout feature, which is its ability to support 29+ languages. Next up, we have Copy AI. Copy AI is a versatile writing assistant that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to generate high-quality content in a matter of seconds. It offers features like tone checker, rephraser, multi-channel campaign, and sentence formatting. From blog articles to product descriptions, Copy AI has got you covered. And one of the standout features of Copy AI is to run various campaigns over multiple channels. Third on our list is Rytr. Rytr is an AI writing tool designed to streamline your content creation process and improve the readability score of your generated content. It offers a wide range of features like SEO's analyzer, text editing, and video channel descriptions. Rytr is an ideal tool for various purposes, such as creating landing page copy, email newsletters, and even video scripts. One of the standout features of Rytr is its ability to generate ad content for all major social media platforms. Moving on, we have ProWritingAid. ProWritingAid is a comprehensive writing assistant that helps you polish your work to perfection with its advanced grammar and style checking features. It offers features like data visualization, custom dictionary, tone detection, and plagiarism checker. ProWritingAid also provides valuable insights into your writing habits, helping you become a better writer over time. And one of the standout features that it offers is a citation checker, perfect for users who need industry-specific jargon and accurate references. Last but certainly not least, we have Simplified. Simplified is a writing assistant that focuses on simplicity and efficiency and offers a distraction-free writing environment, allowing you to focus on your ideas without any unnecessary clutter. It offers features like AI content rewriter, AI blog writer, and hashtag generator. From blog post generation to copywriting assistance, Writesonic can be your go-to tool for various writing tasks. Also, it comes with a standout feature, which is its ability to generate persuasive and engaging content that can captivate your audience. Compared to Writesonic, Jasper comes with natural language processing capabilities and understands the nuances of language, resulting in high-quality output that resonates with your audience. Copy AI, on the other hand, focuses on delivering high-quality written material by saving you time and effort while maintaining quality standards. Rytr takes a different approach by using its versatility feature and allows you to adapt your writing style to different contexts and effectively communicate your message across various channels. Then there's ProWritingAid that stands out with its comprehensive grammar and style checking features and serves as a reliable companion for writers. Lastly, we have Simplified, that offers a clean and distraction-free writing environment to let you focus solely on your ideas without any clutter. While all the alternatives mentioned have their strengths, if you ask us about the best alternative to Writesonic, we recommend Jasper. If you value the ability to generate engaging and persuasive content, Jasper would be the ideal choice. Its natural language processing capabilities can significantly enhance your writing and captivate your audience. We hope this comparison has provided you with valuable insights into the alternatives to Writesonic. Remember to evaluate your requirements, consider the unique features of each alternative, and choose the one that aligns best with your writing goals. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.